Okay, here's an overview of the storms from yesterday. We're going to talk about this one up here, but first let's go ahead and do the Hilton Head area. And this color right here, it's all outlined, is 1.75" hail. This next color right here is 1.5" hail. This color here is 1.25" hail. At least as good as technology is going to get us. But let's take a look at down here. This is all around a golf course. Obviously really nice properties. Let's take a look at them. Yeah, big stuff and lots of it. And that's down the point. My goodness, like that hotel, all these. That would be phenomenal. Let's take a look over here. You know, around the golf course. Yeah, lots of big stuff. All the houses, all of these houses are big. They're nice and expensive. And if we get a little bit further up the island, this is all, you know, once again, this is still all showing the 1.5", or excuse me, 1.25". And, you know, there's just tons of it, including a lot of commercial. So, let me know what you guys think about this one here. If you want to take a look at it, and I'm going to make this next video on up in this area here in the North Charleston area.